This is the mocktail with mint leaf also. Hello everyone, I'll tell you one of the refreshment mocktail. Mocktail name is Paan Passion Mocktail. Very simple refreshment mocktail. First of all, take a glass and add some ice cube. Then you have to add some Paan syrup, and after that you have to add some UV crush. Okay. Then simply you have to add some Sprite. Very simple mocktail you can try. This is the Paan Passion mocktail you can try, and then stir with the help of bar spoon. Okay, so another simply fill the this is the Paan Passion. You can garnish with water, serve with straw, and you can garnish the mocktail with mint leaf also. Okay, this is the Paan Passion mocktail. Very simple mocktail you can try with the combination of kiwi crush, Paan syrup, and Sprite. Very simple mocktail, refreshment mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you.